As the world is impacted by climate change and fresh water becomes more scarce, we look towards the world's abundant supply of salt water to sustain communities. For our project, we looked to Tunisia, a country that borders the Mediterranean but struggles to maintain a consistent source of fresh water. Specifically, we chose Knis, a coastal Mediterranean town. Our challenge was to use the salty Mediterranean water to farm crops that could feed a community of 5,000 people. In particular, we focused on agriculture and what crops we could grow within the seawater farm. Our goal is to be able to have a protein, grain, and vegetable to healthily support a diet of people that will successfully grow within the infrastructure.
The people of Tunisia consume both vegetables and meats, excluding pork, and they are also the second largest consumer of pasta. As a country, they most commonly grow olives and heart wheat for pasta. For breakfast, their diet includes milk and eggs, while lunch is probably pasta or couscous, and dinner may be chicken and soup or rice. Keeping in consideration what people normally eat in Tunisia, we came up with crops to grow that will work with their main diet. For grains, we decided to grow couscous, heart wheat, and chickpeas. For vegetables, we decided on salicornia, spinach, and tomatoes. We also wanted to produce a protein, including farming sea bass in the salty water and farming chickens.
For each of the crops we selected, we had a specific reasoning in mind. For couscous, we decided to include it because it is currently a main staple of their diet. We chose heart wheat because it is a crop they are already growing, so we know it will be successful there. And in addition, we can use it to feed chickens. We chose chickpeas because they are a common Mediterranean food and grow well in the climate because they like warm, dry soil. We chose spinach because it has a high salt tolerance. We chose tomatoes because it is currently part of their diet and is also known for having a high salt tolerance. We chose salicornia, which is a plant that grows in salt water and it's almost bean-like and can be eaten cooked or raw. It's easy to cultivate and it already grows in the Mediterranean marshlands. For protein, we chose sea bass because it is already being farmed in the Mediterranean and is a good protein source because it survives well in salt water. We chose chickens because there are poultry farms in Tunisia and chickens are good protein because they provide both meat and eggs, which are already both part of the Tunisian diet. In conclusion, our goal is to use these crops to successfully sustain a community as a part of a seawater farm in Tunisia.